if we put a support overhang angle more than 65, then it will create only support for this section. If not, it will even create a support for this section. So just try 45-degree angle and do the slice. You can see the blue one is so we don't need support here because printer automatically deals with this, but definitely we need support for this one. If you see this one, let me quickly turn this. We definitely need support for this overhang, so we pop in more than 65 and slice it again, and it will only generate for this one.